right rear end flat. You have 5 minutes left.
It's always been a good representation of some of the best of the best. I've been around the trucking industry for the better part of 30 years. I'm familiar with it from other companies, and it always seemed that the drivers in that championship were the best of the best.
Landing gear's not raised all the way, defect. Man, I'm just happy to be here. You know, it's an honor to be able to go up, compete, you know, not only on a personal level, but to go up and represent Maverick in this. And hopefully I go up and do good. I'm geared up, I'm ready to go up there and see what we got. Hopefully we do better than last time and go from there.
Yeah, you get a trophy and just a lot of fun, and the recognition is pretty neat too. Got first in flatbed in 2000. I got 2 seconds in flatbed, 95, I think 97. And then I got a 3rd place for doing a sleeper berth class. I think that was in 08.
Whenever you turn around, we'll start the clock.
All right.
Whenever you're ready.
That's all the help I get. Man. See?
Take a breath, Dick.
Oh, yeah.
Defect, trash in between your wheels.
And time's up. Time to work.
I feel like I've missed about 3 places.
You did all right.
Would you give yourself on a scale of 1 to 10?
5.
5.
Yeah, about a 5. Yeah.
Second place in the flatbed division from Maverick Transportation, Scott Swarslosy.
It's total shock. I didn't expect it at all. I didn't think I did very well on the test, pre-trip, or the driving course, but apparently I did pretty well. I'm just totally shocked, but very proud, very, very proud. I'm gonna go for first next year, for sure.